Greetings, everyone! Today, I've got a fantastic strategy to share with you. One that can put a solid $100 in your pocket for each hour you spend watching videos. This is a golden opportunity to make some extra bucks online. Curious about how it works? Well, you're about to find out, and stick around until the end because I'm going to spill the beans on automating the process for even more moolah with less effort. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, let's jump into it. Today, I'll be unveiling the ultimate technique to pocket $100 per hour by watching videos. This is a brand new free method that's making waves online. And guess what? It's accessible worldwide. So here's a sneak peek of the action. I'm going to walk you through the exact website, the ins and outs, signing up, and how to rake in those $100 bills. Pay close attention because I'm not just stopping there. I'm going to show you 4 different ways to consistently earn over $100 an hour, and I'll even toss in a secret to double your earnings. Some folks might just rush off the website without watching this whole video, but I promise, if you stick around, you'll be raking in more green than those who don't. So let's get started. Welcome to the gold mine. This website is open to folks from around the globe, and they offer payment options like PayPal and bank transfers, among others. They've already dished out a whopping $3 million to their users, and if you swing by Trustpilot, you'll see over 1,000 reviews from satisfied users. It's called superpay.me, but here's the kicker. While most people dive straight into surveys, that's not the star of the show today. Trust me, surveys can be real time sink. Instead, I'm going to show you how to make the most of this site. And guess what? When you sign up today, they'll throw in a $0.20 join bonus. Just hit that Join Free Today button. Your registration will land you that $20 bonus, no strings attached. Another plus, these folks pay out super fast. We're talking within 24 hours, and you can choose PayPal or bank transfer. Plus, their cash out threshold is super low at just $1. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Now, let's talk about strategy. 4 avenues to riches await you: paid surveys, paid trials and offers, video watching, and their referral program. Let me give you the lowdown on the best route. While surveys are an option, I'd recommend focusing on watching videos. You can increase your video watching speed, meaning more videos, more money. Heck, you can even run them in the background while you tackle other tasks. Multi-device or multi-account, more money. It's all about maximizing your time and effort. And speaking of effort, let's zero in on that referral program. You can snag a whopping 25% of your referrals' earnings without lifting a finger. Yep, they're out there earning, and you're reaping the benefits. It's like earning $100 without lifting a pinky. This site is a win-win, helping people around the globe earn, and when you share the love on social media, you're building a passive income stream. A quick glance shows real folks cashing in. This is the real deal, folks. Now it's time to load up on referrals without breaking a sweat. Swing by bmoneyforum.com. This active forum is a hotbed for money-making chatter. Drop your referral link to superpay.me, and folks will love you for showing them the money-making path. Just remember, moderation is key here. Posting a few times a week keeps your account safe and thriving. Hold on, we're not done yet. offshorecorptalk.com is your next destination for referrals. Register for free, engage in conversations, and share your insights. Engaging with money-making forums is a smart move, but remember, quality trumps quantity. And the beauty is, even when you stop posting, your link remains active, continuing to rake in earnings. That's the lowdown on this game-changing method. But guess what? If you're gunning for a grand total of $697, I've got a little surprise for you. Check out the first time link in the description, where I spill the beans on a fresh strategy to make free PayPal money by watching ads. This isn't just theory, it's a proven method that anyone, even without experience, can dive into and start earning. And that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!